Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown between the sleek and sophisticated DJI Mini 4 Pro and the wallet-friendly Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is priced at $759, making it a premium choice. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is available for just $129. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Techwonderz, making it a great entry-level option. Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. The DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts real-time aerial footage with a 20 km FHD video transmission and 4K 60 FPS recording capabilities. Reviewers rave about its high-quality camera and impressive photo resolution. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone features a 1080p dual camera with a 90 degrees rotatable front camera. It's praised for being good value for its price, though it doesn't match the high-end specs of the DJI. Battery life is crucial for uninterrupted flights. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers extended battery life, with many reviewers suggesting getting the Fly More kit for even longer flight times. On the other hand, Techwonderz provides up to 50 minutes of battery life, which is impressive for its price range, although it doesn't quite match the endurance of the DJI. Obstacle avoidance is a key feature to prevent crashes. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it highly reliable in avoiding obstacles. Reviewers highlight this feature as one of its strongest points. Techwonderz also offers 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, which is good but not as advanced as DJI's system. User experience is where things get interesting. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers customizable intelligent tracking with Active Track 360 degrees, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Reviewers love its intuitive controls and helpful tutorial app. Techwonderz is all about simplicity, with features like one-key takeoff, landing, and gesture controls, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and fun features. Overall, reviewers highly recommend the DJI Mini 4 Pro for its advanced features, excellent video quality, and reliability, though it comes at a higher price. The Techwonderz drone is praised for being a cost-effective, easy-to-use option, especially for beginners and kids. So there you have it. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the Rolls-Royce of drones, luxurious and feature-packed. Meanwhile, Techwonderz is the fun, budget-friendly drone perfect for beginners and kids. If you enjoyed this comparison, like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!